In this video I'm going to show you one of the best free background remover that I found until now. The site is called clipdrop.co, and when you're on the main page just scroll it a bit down when you find a remove background and just click on this window. It's gonna open this tab. I will use few of my images from leonardo.ai, so let's try this one. Remove background, just click here, downscale and continue, and just make sure, just wait few seconds and the magic will happen. There you go. Click on this download button and it's going to download the file. Just make sure to upscale or vectorize your files because the quality is going to be very low, and if you don't know how to vectorize your images, I will link the video that I created on your right hand corner. You can check it out. So let's check the file. This is, let's make this bigger. This is the original file and this is the file without background. Let's try another one. And you can try to open several tabs and to remove backgrounds on several images in the same time. How I did this in Vectorize as well. Let's try this one. Remove background, downscale and continue. Wait few seconds and there you go, the magic is happened. I think this site is doing very good job. Let's try one more and I will wrap up the video. Let's try this lady or this one. This one is probably more complex. There you go. I think it's perfect. Let's just check the files. So this one is original and this one is without background. This one is original, this one is without background. I think this site is doing very good job. Just create free account and use the site. There are several tools you can check on the site and it's completely free. So that's it for today, guys. I just wanna shoot this quick video to show you this background remover. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.